In this video, we're going to break down the concept of clues of information. In our previous videos, we've discussed understanding unfamiliar words using clues of direct definitions, comparisons, or contrasts. But what do we do when none of these is available? Here's where clues of information comes into play. When there's no obvious guide, we explore the surrounding sentences and passages, uncovering hints that lead us to the word's meaning. Let's take a look at some concrete examples. Due to the recent technological advancements, the outdated machinery was deemed obsolete and inefficient. Does obsolete mean modern, outdated, revolutionary, or adequate? Although the sentence doesn't tell us outright what obsolete means, it provides clues to help us figure it out. Looking at our sentence, we can see that the outdated machinery was deemed obsolete due to the recent technological advancements. The text also describes this outdated machinery as inefficient, in addition to obsolete. Based on the information provided in the sentence, we can put together that with advances in technology, old machinery became antiquated or outdated. Looking at our choices, we can see that B, outdated, best matches our definition and can therefore be marked as our final answer. Let's take a look at another example. The author's extensive bibliography provided readers with valuable resources to delve deeper into the topic. Does extensive mean abundant, short, expensive, or scarce? Again, although the sentence doesn't tell us outright what extensive means, it provides clues to help us figure it out. In this sentence, we can see that the bibliography that the author is providing the readers with is described as valuable and helps them delve deeper into the topic. Looking at the choices, we can already see that short and scarce do not match this definition. Be careful with the clue expensive, which sounds like expansive, meaning having a wide range, and which could be an appropriate answer to the question. It's important to take careful note of the spelling of each word and not to confuse them with another. As it is, expensive can be marked off, as it doesn't match our definition. We are left with abundant, which matches the meaning that we found, that the bibliography is valuable and helps them delve deeper. Therefore, A, abundant, can be marked as our final answer. Now that you've got the hang of it, try your hand at using clues of information with the mock test questions below.